What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to factory reset your PC or your laptop. So firstly, what you want to do is to open settings. So to do that, all you have to do is to click on Windows icon, and here you're going to search for settings, or either you will have settings pinned right here. So let's search for settings, then we're going to open them. Here's in settings, what you want to do is to go to the search bar and you're going to search for reset this PC. And then you're going to click on it, and as you can see here at recovery and recovery option, we have the option to reset this PC. You're going to click on reset PC. Now what you want to do is to choose between keep my files, which means that your personal files will be saved and only the apps and settings will be deleted, or remove everything, which means that everything will be removed and the PC will be like brand new. After you choose, you're going to click on it, then you're going to follow the process. So as simple as this, you can reset your PC. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.